So today I'm out here harvesting some elder flowers. It's pretty much the perfect time for it. I want to make some syrup, maybe some other stuff with it. Never really been here this time of the year, usually in Japan or Canada. And yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. Like I forgot about how absolutely lovely those are. So I put a little plastic bag into my pouch on here on my Evolution Smock by Ridgeline. And yeah, this is absolutely perfect. This is basically an anorak. You can see it goes all the way down here. Cinches around my waist. I have two kangaroo pouches, one down here, one up here. I have to say this is the probably most complete piece of clothing and kit that I've ever gotten, and I've had a lot of good stuff and I get stoked about it, but yeah, since I have this, I mean it's not the nicest day today, but with the breathability and the absolute waterproofness of this thing, I think it's 15,000 millimeters or something like that. Absolutely incredible. It feels so comfortable. This kangaroo pouch here is already coming in handy. Of course I tried to keep it clean by having a plastic bag inside of it, but I mean, as you can tell, even over here I've got a zipper. If I'm sitting down in the car, it actually widens this kind of skirt a little bit further, but it's a long piece of clothing, but it absolutely beautifully blends around your body like this. I always wanted to have one of these traditional anoraks. In this case it's like a New Zealandish type of smock, and again, I'm out here for a while now harvesting stuff. It's pretty humid today. I'm not sweating. This is 10,000 millimeters wind, 15,000 millimeters water. I should be sweating and I'm not. And yeah, I just wanted to share this because I'm so stoked. Everything here is just, you know, well done. All the zippers, everything is just working, and it's kind of a stretchy kind of material. And I can just so see, like, sitting down with this in a canoe. Like, there's been days out in the canoe when I would have loved something to cover my thighs, but then it would be not spacious enough. And like, I didn't even know that when I got this, it actually has this zipper on the side that just gives me this extra space to squat, to sit down, and then, you know, when the rain is absolutely pounding, you know, just comes in and covers my legs beautifully, nearly all the way down to my knees. I just wanted to share this. Good job, Ridgeline. I totally see why you guys are so popular among hunters, bushcrafters, fishermen, canoeists, hikers, you name it. Next thing is I want to bring this thing on the archery parkour, because I can absolutely see the absence of any pockets up here. I don't see anything getting in my way. And that's just one of the things I would love to get more out of on the parkour, on the course, when the weather is not good. And so far I didn't really have anything where I felt like it's gonna stand up to that properly without me getting miserable. Yeah, just gonna continue the harvest, continue the harvest a little bit here. Again, if you have some elder flowers in your area, don't take too many, but enjoy. Make your own syrup, maybe some jam you can make from it, or you wait until it turns into berries, and there's also stuff you can do with that. And at this point, sorry for that, that's the only thing really I feel like I'm using plastic bags for, is to keep the inside of this kangaroo pouch clean. And oh boy, do I love this pouch already. So with that, I hope this was fun for you, being out here for a couple moments in this beautiful evening, and I hope you're safe wherever you are. Cheers.